Hello. Modern agriculture relies on advanced machines to boost productivity and sustainability. This video highlights some of the most efficient agricultural machines available today, designed to make farming faster, easier, and more environmentally friendly. These machines, featured in a popular YouTube video, showcase cutting-edge technology that transforms how farmers work. From autonomous tractors to specialized harvesters, each machine is built for precision and high performance, saving time and reducing costs for farmers across the United States and beyond. One standout is the John Deere autonomous electric tractor, manufactured in the USA. This electric-powered tractor operates without fossil fuels, cutting costs and reducing emissions. It uses artificial intelligence to adjust to soil conditions in real time, ensuring accurate sowing and tillage. The tractor can work continuously, day or night, without a driver, making it ideal for large farms aiming for sustainability and efficiency. For challenging terrains, the Autoagra E-Series from Norway offers a solution. This autonomous tractor features 360-degree steering and high-precision sensors, allowing it to navigate complex fields without a driver. It handles tasks like sowing, irrigation, and harvesting with GPS accuracy, reducing labor needs and improving productivity on uneven land. When it comes to harvesting, the Oxbow forage harvesters, also from the USA, excel in efficiency. These machines adapt to different crops and soil types, minimizing waste and preserving the nutritional value of forage for livestock. Their self-adjusting technology ensures high yields and faster work, making them a reliable choice for farmers focused on quality feed. In vineyards, the New Holland Broad 970L from France is a game-changer. It harvests up to 7,000 kg of grapes per hour while protecting the fruit from damage. Its selective shaking system targets only ripe grapes, ensuring high-quality harvests for wine and juice production. This machine reduces impurities, delivering a cleaner product ready for processing. For delicate crops like strawberries, the Agrobot E-Series from Spain uses computer vision and AI to harvest ripe fruit with precision. It operates day or night, cutting labor costs and ensuring top-quality strawberries. This level of automation is a glimpse into the future of fruit harvesting. The Earth Eater Super from the Netherlands is designed for tulip bulb harvesting. It uses a suction system and soft brushes to extract bulbs without damage, speeding up the process while maintaining bulb quality. This machine is essential for the multi-million-dollar tulip industry, ensuring efficiency and care in every harvest. For soil preparation, the double-row disc reaper BRAC T26B from the USA tackles tough, compacted soil. Its steel discs break up hard layers, improving aeration and water absorption for crops like corn and soybeans. This machine covers large areas quickly, ensuring the soil is ready for planting. The Case IH Quadtrac 620, another American-made machine, offers unmatched traction with its 4-track system. With 620 horsepower, it handles difficult terrains without compacting the soil, protecting long-term soil health, while delivering powerful performance for heavy tasks. Specialized machines like the David Bowman pumpkin harvester from the UK automate the harvesting, sorting, and cleaning of pumpkins. Its conveyor belts and optical sensors ensure damage-free processing, making it ideal for large-scale pumpkin farms. Similarly, the lettuce harvester from France automates lettuce harvesting, maintaining product quality while reducing manual labor. The Maestro 16SX from Germany is a precision planter that works with John Deere tractors to place seeds at the perfect depth and spacing. This ensures uniform crop growth and maximizes yields, making it a top choice for farmers seeking reliable results. For eco-friendly weed control, the Dino with Robot from France uses AI to detect and remove weeds without chemicals. This reduces environmental impact and promotes sustainable farming practices, appealing to farmers focused on soil health. These machines represent the future of farming. Combining automation, precision, and sustainability. They allow farmers to work smarter, not harder, while producing more with less environmental impact. Whether you're a farmer or simply curious about modern agriculture, these machines prove that technology is revolutionizing the field, making farming more efficient and sustainable than ever before.
Farming today faces rising costs and labor shortages. Yet many think harvesting crops still takes days of grueling work. What if machines could cut harvest time by 50%? While turning waste into profit. How can farmers stay competitive and protect the land? This documentary reveals the game-changing tools transforming agriculture. The CYL fiber decorticator starts the process. It extracts fiber from cease leaves in minutes. These fibers become ropes or textiles, boosting farm income. A farmer says, "This machine turns my leaves into cash." Next, the banana tree shredder takes over post-harvest. It grinds banana stems into organic fertilizer. This cuts waste by 40% and enriches soil for the next harvest. Like Seizel, it maximizes what fields produce. Moving to orchards, the Revo Palmer apple harvester automates fruit picking. It shakes trees to collect apples without bruising. This doubles harvesting speed compared to hand picking. Similarly, Grim beet and potato harvesters dig up root crops efficiently. They process large fields quickly, ensuring no beets or potatoes are left behind during harvest. The Nexit Widespan modular crop system adapts to various crops. Its modules adjust for optimal planting and harvesting. Farmers save time by tailoring setups to their fields. Another multitasker, the Braille-Mia Motomower, mows grass and spreads liquid manure simultaneously. It prepares land for better crop yields at harvest time. For delicate crops, the sweet potato harvester lifts tubers gently. It prevents damage, keeping the potato market ready. A farmer notes, "It saves my crop from bruising." Finally, the Grimmy self-propelled potato harvester covers 4 rows at once. It drives autonomously, cutting harvest time by half. These tools make harvesting faster and less labor intensive. Now, demolition technologies support farming by recycling materials. Explosive demolition of gas holders uses precise blasts to dismantle structures safely. This clears space for agricultural use. Silo demolition tackles hazards like falling debris with strict safety protocols. It ensures workers harvest steel safely from old structures. Steel structure demolition uses controlled explosives to break down frames. This provides metal for farm equipment. The Walrus HP 110 car shear cuts scrap cars into recyclable steel. It harvests materials for new machines, reducing costs. Nipigon River Bridge dismantling removes large structures while protecting the environment. These processes supply raw materials for production. Recycled materials fuel precision manufacturing. Coke production heats coal to create industrial fuel. It powers factories making farm tools. Steel forging shapes large ingots with hydraulic presses. A technician says, "These parts make harvesters unbreakable." Strengthens machines for tough harvests. Turbine blade machining crafts precise components. These high accuracy parts improve machinery used in harvesting systems. Glass-line equipment manufacturing builds corrosion-resistant vessels. They store chemicals safely for production. Vidco foundry casting spins molten metal to form rolling mill shafts. This creates durable parts for farm equipment. Automated HA400 beam welding uses robots to join steel structures. It achieves zero-error assembly for harvester frames. A technician adds, "Robots ensure every weld is perfect." These processes make tools reliable for harvesting seasons. From shredding banana stems to forging steel, these technologies transform farming. Harvesting becomes faster with machines like the Grimmy, which saves 50% of labour time. Demolition harvests steel from scrap, cutting equipment costs. Precision manufacturing builds durable tools, reducing breakdowns by 30%. Together, they address farmers' worries about costs and unpredictable weather. This chain of innovation from field to factory ensures harvests feed growing populations without wasting resources. Farmers gain efficiency and the land stays healthy for future seasons. These machines are changing how we harvest crops today. Want to see farming's future? Share this video with friends and farmers you know. How do Arctic communities harvest a walrus to survive brutal winters? Can this ancient tradition withstand climate change? Hunting and butchering a giant walrus, Bloody Journey on the IC, reveals the walrus harvesting process in Alaska and Nunavut, from hunt to cultural traditions. Approved by the Eskimo Walrus Commission and local hunters, this film uses 2025 data from the US Geological Survey and WWF to show a vital survival practice in America's Arctic. The film starts with preparation for the walrus harvest in Alaska's coastal villages. Families sharpen rifles and harpoons with ropes, tools honed over 2,000 years. Elders teach young hunters to target large adult male walruses for maximum meat and fat. The Eskimo Walrus Commission sets a sustainable harvest quota at 2.25% of the adult population to protect the species. A young apprentice shares his excitement and nerves before his first hunt. Hunters check ice conditions and weather, then use small motorized canoes to reach walrus herds on sea ice or shores. Next, the documentary shows the intense walrus harvest. Hunters approach quietly to avoid startling the herd, aiming for a bull over 1,000 pounds. They fire rifles and throw harpoons to secure the animal, using ropes to stop it from diving underwater. The harvest ends quickly to minimize suffering, following strict community rules. An elder explains how they watch water currents to avoid risks, as walruses can weigh a ton and charge with sharp tusks. Community-approved footage captures the real dangers of this step. After the harvest, the film details the harvesting and use of every walrus part. Processing starts on the ice or boat. With long knives cutting along the body. Thick skin is removed first for boats or shoes. Blubber is sliced into blocks for oil lamps or winter food reserves. The dark red meat, up to 1,000 pounds, feeds about 50 families and is shared equally. Women and children dry or salt meat, storing it in snow pits that keep it fresh for months. Bones become tools or building parts. Tendons turn into fishing lines, and tusks are carved into jewellery or strength symbols. This harvest process ensures no waste, supporting daily life. At night, families gather around lamps fueled by harvested walrus fat, eating stew from fresh meat. They share throat singing and stories of past harvests that saved villages in tough winters. A Thanksgiving ceremony follows each harvest, with offerings to the sea to honour the walrus. Young hunters see this as a step to adulthood, learning responsibility from elders. Families work together to process the harvest, passing skills to keep tradition strong. Modern challenges facing the harvest are addressed next. Climate change melts sea ice, pushing walruses onto crowded land haulouts, raising stampede and predator risks. WWF's 2025 reports note significant habitat loss, with NOAA stating the Arctic warms twice as fast as other regions. The US Geological Survey's June 2025 expedition updates population estimates, currently around 257,000 based on recent WWF data. Shipping and oil activities add pressure. A USGS scientist explains how scattered herds make harvesting harder. The Eskimo Walrus Commission emphasises self-regulated quotas and tags to balance subsistence with conservation. Communities clarify this is for food, not sport, while CITES regulates walrus ivory trade with permits to prevent overuse. The film ends with hope for harvesting's future. In 2025, young hunters will use drones in partnerships with scientists to track walruses better. Villagers hold feasts under the northern lights, relying on harvested walrus products. The narration highlights the strength of these traditions, like tusks carved into lasting tools. It urges viewers to visit wwf.act/Arctic to support conservation. And Elder concludes that the sea provides, and careful harvesting keeps the balance. For future generations. 9. This documentary explains the walrus harvesting cycle in clear terms. From preparation to the hunt, processing, cultural sharing, and facing modern challenges, it links each step to survival in Alaska's Arctic. Communities rely on this harvest for meat, fat, and materials, guided by sustainable rules from the Eskimo Walrus Commission. The film connects harvesting to community and respect for nature. With 2025 survey data showing stable populations if protections continue, it gives older viewers an engaging, straightforward look at how harvesting sustains life and culture in a changing world.